Hi everyone, welcome to the Passion for Purple collaboration that I'm participating in this year, and it is hosted by MetalScrappinChick, who is Kim. Hi Kim. This might be up a little bit late, but not too much late. I managed to get done in time. I completely forgot that I had like 3 different collabs on the 15th, and yeah, so sorry, but I did manage to make 3 pieces. So I have a necklace that I made very early on. It was like a white halite. No, it was white with red going through the stone, and then some red glass beads and some silver, and some silver chain, and I wore it to pieces. In fact, I probably have to redo the whole thing if I want to wear it again, because everything tarnished except the chain, and this chain is very similar to what I used. So I made this necklace. It is about 17.5, 18 inch. There's 4 inches of chain on either side, and then this I think is about 9 inches. So 4, 9 is 13, and 4 is 17, and about an inch for the clasp, 3/4 inch, so 17.5 to 18 inches, something like that. And I love that length for something like this. These beads are from Fire Mountain. I got them ages ago and on clearance. The thing is, they are gemstones. They're agate. Some of them I think are ametrine, actually, because they have or yellow anyway. They usually amethyst and citrine make ametrine, but these say crackle agate, dyed heated. Anyway, some of them have a little bit of yellow. I didn't use those, so I used 3. I used a really dark one in the middle, and then 2 more just crackly patterned ones. This one has a little bit of yellow in it. Anyway, the closest I could come to matchy, you know. And then these beads are all off some strands I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I bought 3 strands that had 22 pieces each, and they had these tubes of agate. It doesn't say that on the card, but they're agate, and these bluish purple crystals. So I went ahead and used them, and I tried to put 2 dark, sort of darkish, a lighter one, I love that one, and darkish again, and then end with crystals. And then I actually used soft flex purple amethyst beading wire, and I wire wrapped right onto these links, because let me tell you, I tried opening these links, and one of them I managed to get open, and one, but it was a struggle with 2 pliers, and the other one I actually ended up cutting it off the length with memory wire cutters, because I could not. And then on the end here, one of these, this one I think, I attached with an oval jump ring that's silver plated copper from jewelrymaker.com, and this round one was actually came with the toggle clasp, and the toggle clasps I forgot to bring over here. I have one left. I forget where I got them, sorry. I think also jewelrymaker.com, but I could be wrong about that. So that's that. And then I didn't want to make a clasp bracelet. I wanted to make a stretchy bracelet. I did it twice, and my wrist is 6 3/4, and it fits. It could fit a 7 inch. It could stretch to a 7 inch. Hang on, I want to show you something. Okay, so I had bought from jewelrymaker.com this pack of multicolored stretch cord, and the first time I did it, I only used 1 single strand, and it felt too loose to me. So I actually cut it, wasted, you know, whatever, however much that was, and then I pulled out enough that I doubled it over. So this whole thing is doubled, and I feel it feels much more secure to me now. And actually the knot is inside this because it had the larger holes. So I strung it. I made sure it would fit my wrist anyway. I tied 2 I don't think they're quite surgeon's knots. What's the other one? Special knot where you double it, like double wrap it. And I did 2 of those. I did put some GS Hypo cement on the knot. I let it dry, and then I pulled it inside. Well, I cut the ends and I pulled it inside this gemstone. So that is the bracelet. And here the chain I used was from Beading. I had bought it at a place that's no longer open, Flower and Craft Warehouse, but it's 5.5 millimeter elongated cable. The links are 5.5 millimeter. And then this is the Soft Flex Purple Amethyst 49 strand 0.019 that I used for this part, which is pretty sturdy. And then on the earrings, I felt like from the beginning I wanted to make a triple dangle, but I couldn't find any silver links, you know, circles that were sort of textured the same way. So I had 3 toggle clasps left, and I just used 2 of them, excluding the bar. These hooked right into the ear wires, and those are from Fire Mountain. Here's the number, H201415FN. They are silver finish steel fish hook with ball and coil. I like that they had the little ball because I used ball head pins, and they're just a silver tone, 22 gauge. And I did wire wrap each of these right onto these rings. And let me tell you, the head pins for these 2 longer pieces were only enough to do 2 wraps around, and it was a struggle to do that, to hold it in place and do it. And I used this thing to make the loop consistently, and it was just big enough. And how I figured that out is I went like this and said, yeah, that's about the size. So if you wrap around that, it would be a little bigger than that. So that is what I did on the earrings. I think they're really cute. They have a little weight to them because these what do you call them, toggles are a little bit heavy, but they're not super duper heavy. I could wear them, but if you have trouble with your ears, that they would not be good for you. And I decided not to put the blue crystals on the top because it wouldn't have fit. And also I wanted the length, like I just wanted some difference there. So I think everything came out pretty. Let me know what you think. And that is my video for Passion for Purple for this month, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye for now.